Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong new moon in Pisces sa February 28, 2025 at 8:44 AM Philippine time. Ayan. So, yung reading na to, maaring mas makaresonate yung mga Pisces rising or pwede rin naman makaresonate yung mga ibang sign like Pisces sun or Pisces moon. So, if you still don't know your rising sign, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. Okay? And also, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Paki-check nyo na lang. And please subscribe to our channel, like, share this video, at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, so for you Pisces, itong new moon is happening of course in your first house. So actually ngayon maraming planets na nasa Pisces. So I think yung mga Pisces sun, especially mga Pisces rising, maraming nangyayari, maraming pagbabago, maraming mga nagsisimula or maaring may mga endings din for you. And isipin nyo na lang na whatever changes that are happening in your life right now, nililid kayo sa inyong destiny because North Node is in Pisces right now at conjunct siya sa Neptune, which is the planet of dreams, expansion rin, no? So you might want to expand more about your creative talents, yung skill set mo. So this has a challenging aspect sa Jupiter. But actually, since this is Jupiter, kasi Jupiter is a benefic na planet, so it means na ano man tong challenge na to, magiging favorable pa rin sa'yo in the end. Okay? So this has an aspect with your fourth house, which is about your family, your home life, your roots, so yung foundation mo. So maaring yung iba sa inyo, you have meron kayong mga self-discovery about what you can improve on yourself or ano yung pwede mo pang subukan gawin related sa yung talento, related sa yung, especially if you have interest in communication, social media, singing, or nasa film, anything creative that will enhance your knowledge and your skills. And yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring merong new beginnings when it comes to your home life, yung family life. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, magsa-start na kayo ng sarili nyong family or bubukod na kayo ng bahay, ng place ninyo for your own good, no? 'Di ba may mga ganon na sila ay lumilipat ng bahay kasi gusto nila na magkaroon sila ng autonomy sa sarili nila. Yung meron silang sila na yung makapag-control sa buhay nila, makapag-desisyon para sa kanila. So, ngayong new moon in Pisces, you will have a lot of realizations pagdating dun sa mga bagay na nalimitahan sa'yo. So, pwede kasing you are limiting yourself dun sa mga bagay na kinatatakot mong gawin kasi maaring meron ka pang doubt sa sarili mo. Okay? But I think ngayon, you are discovering more about yourself and realizing na marami kang kayang gawin. Okay? So, you are pursuing your goals, you're pursuing your dreams. Let's see what else. Sexuality. So some of you may be pursuing your true self in terms of your sexual preference. Okay? So maaring mas nakikilala mo yung sarili mo, mas naiintindihan mo kung ano yung gusto mo sa isang relationship or kung ano yung gusto mo na ipakita sa iba, no, na totoo mong pagkatao. This is also about your roots, your foundation. Inner child, yung iba sa inyo, you are focusing also dun sa younger version of yourself na maaring nagkakaroon ka ng evaluation, realization doon sa pangarap mo nung bata ka na hindi mo na-explore, hindi mo nagawa dahil sa mga limitations na wala kang control. But now that you feel like you are in control of your life, kumbaga alam mo na kung ano yung steps na gagawin mo. You have more freedom to explore. Oh my God, oh. You have more freedom to explore your life's purpose. What you really want. Parang ito yung iyong destiny eh. Makes sense, no? Kasi North Node is also in your sign, Pisces. So, marami ka na-realize na, ito yung gusto ko, ito yung gusto ko i-explore, na hindi ka hindi mo na nililimitahan yung sarili mo sa mga possibilities. You have the High Priestess. This is your energy. You have gained a lot of wisdom over the years. Marami ka ng kaalaman, marami ka na ring experiences. And some of you, Pisces, you are going to take action or work in silence, no? Kumbaga, tahimik ka lang na aabutin yung pangarap mo. You also have the moon. Wow, alam niyo, ang daming emotions for you, Pisces. You might feel na parang ang heavy, no, or ang bigat ng mga nangyayari sa iyo ngayon. But actually, piniprepare ka ng universe, piniprepare ka ni God sa mga bago mong i-explore or sisimulan sa buhay mo. You have the Seven of Wands. So this is control, this is discipline. I think kasi ang mga Pisces parang ano yan eh, for them, they want to, parang gusto nilang gawin yung mga bagay na gusto nila. Pero once na magkaroon sila ng limitation, they get frustrated. Okay? But for you, alam mo kung bakit hindi mo yun dapat gawin kasi alam mo yung magiging epekto nun sa'yo in the end. So now, nagkakaroon ka na ng better choices or good choices para sa purpose mo, para sa gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. Especially in relationships, your connections with others. This can be a new business partnership or relationship na papasukin mo. So, for you, maaring may nagsisimula na bagong inspiration for you, whether this is a romantic connection or an endeavor, no, na gagawin mo for your career or business na talagang masasabi mo na yun talaga yung gusto mo. Okay, let's see. A time for healing. Wow, ang ganda. So this is your healing your inner child, healing your past trauma, healing your experiences in the past na nagkakaroon ka na ng understanding of bakit nangyari yun sa'yo. A time to give rather than take. Wow. So you are also going to be more generous ngayong time na to. Maaring you are generous of your energy, generous of your resources. Go for it. Oh, New Moon in Aries. Yes. Gawin mo na daw. Ayan. You have support all around you, Pisces. So that is your reading. Thank you so much. See you again.